Welcome, good people. Today, on Alpha Kilo Warrior, we watch the sunrise over Hartford, Connecticut. In true aviation entertaining fashion, enjoy this low-light taxi with all the cool airport lights active. This episode is packed with a plethora of mini aerial adventures, which makes it extra long. I invite you to watch each part at your convenience. It's totally okay to watch a little now and return at a later date. There are chapters in the video description to jump ahead to any section you have missed. Part 1 is a Cessna 172M departure out of Hartford, Connecticut. Its cranked up audio with no music showcased the external camera over the beautiful city lights below. In Part 2, Mike and I watched the sunrise over the Connecticut River on with Bradley Air Traffic Control and a JetBlue commercial aircraft. In Part 3, sit back and enjoy a time-lapse flight from Connecticut to Orange, Massachusetts over the Quabbin Reservoir. Lastly, in Part 4, enjoy the approach and landing into Orange, Massachusetts, Oscar Romeo Echo.
Look somewhere 30 degrees to the left or right. We're above 1,000 feet. We'll turn back to the airport for landing. A reminder on the whole safety pilot thing today. So once we get to an altitude where we can turn on course, I'm going to have you take controls. I'll put on the goggles. From there, I'll be flying under the hood the rest of the way. And that should really be it. You're just looking out for planes. Make sure I don't crash into anything. That's about it.
Sounds like fun.
All right. Awesome. Thanks, man.
Ready to rock and roll.
Let's go.
Contact Bradley 12395.
Contact 12395, 766, thanks. Bradley approach, Cessna 12766, 1000 climbing, 5500.
12766, Bradley departure, ident, altimeter 2988.
2988, and identic.
766, radar contact a mile and a half north of the Hartford Airport.
Roger, 766. All right, I'm going to hand off controls to you. Your controls.
My controls. Contact Boston Center 134.3, 34.3.
My controls.
Your airport.
Perfect. All right.
I don't want to jinx my GoPro, but it's holding up.
That's good. Come here and we'll brief this plate. So the idea is we're going to do the VOR alpha. So I'm going to start setting up some frequencies here while we've got a little bit of time. The main VOR is 116905. Let's get that in there. Oh, sorry, here.
I got to get that sunrise. Looks pretty dope.
Go for it.
Wow, look at it. Well, you get a minute.
Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Although technically I'm blind, I can't see out the plane.
No. It's a shitty day for you.
Dude, that is one of the things that sucks about this training. It's like, I'm like, oh, it's beautiful. I'm like, yeah, it'd be nice if I knew that, but I'm not supposed to be looking.
538, flighting 180.
Heading 180, Mike, stop 38.
JetBlue 1476, descend and maintain 2,500.
Maintain 2,500, JetBlue 1476.
Okay. So I want to get in. We can do that when we get there. We'll be navigating via VOR. The VOR is going to be the Gardner VOR. And the heading is 292. We'll have to see what angle we come in there, whether or not we do a hold. I believe we will be able to do a hold at Gardner. And that is the plan for practice. This is a VOR DME, so while some VOR approach is the one we were going to do over there.
C538, proceed direct to Hartford, contact Boston
At
33.42, have a good day.
The one we were going to do over there.
342 and direct Hartford, Moxie 38.
At Wyndham, does not have a DME, so that VOR approach is all based on timing. So based on your ground speed, you hit timer, and a certain time at that speed gives you like how far you are and like where your fixes are, and you cross-check on a radial, which is a little more difficult. This one's just a DME, so what we're essentially doing is we're going to continue along, and as we descend, we're going to be looking for distances from the airport to know where our minimum altitude is.
Okay.
And we're going to do a step-down fix. So this is a circling approach.
So old timers used to do it. The VOR.
Yeah, absolutely.
Before RNAV.
Yeah, and the VOR approaches aren't really used all that much anymore.
Runway 24 arrival,
Hey, on,
microburst
check
alert,
right.
35 knot loss at the runway, 24 departure, microburst alert, 40 knot loss, runway, 33 arrival, microburst alert, 40 knot loss, runway, and 33 departure, microburst alert, 40 knot loss, runway.
40.
Roger that. Is that for JetBlue 1476? Is that out of Bradley?
It is out of Bradley. Our current winds at the airport are 240 at 6, so I'm not sure if it's the system acting up. I'm required to read it since we got the alert, but I don't know how accurate it is.
Well, we're not going to be able to do that approach right away. Then we're going to have to wait till you guys either clear it up or can confirm that there's no more microburst.
Yep, nope, you got it. Just let me know what you need. I can vector you around, put you in hold in, whatever you need.
Yeah, we're not going to land right away then. You're going to have to either vector us around or put us in a hold.
You got it. JetBlue 1476. Climb and maintain. I know you're at it, but maintain 3,000 and just fly your present heading.
JetBlue 1476, we'll climb maintain now 3,000 and present heading.
Gotta be a glitch.
Yeah, it does not sound good. Alright, let me finish briefing this approach. So, okay, this is going to be a circling approach. Our decision altitude is 1,460 feet AGL. When we get to that height, we're going to see if we can see the runway. If we do, this is a circling approach, and that gives us clearance to be able to circle to whatever runway favors the winds the best. When we get to about 20 miles here, we got to watch our altitude. When we get to about 20 miles, we're going to go ahead and ask approach to do the VOR Alpha approach over there at Orange.
Yep, so we're at 35 now.
Yep. And we'll wait till we get handed off the Boston Center because they handle that airport.
Okay.
Yeah, there it is. Look at this. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We're going to go ahead and make a right turn. 2292. And we are getting blown, so it's going to be interesting how close to the racetrack we're actually going to get here. You got any traffic? Just double checking.
Traffic is clear.
Perfect, thank you.
148 miles an hour on the ground.
Yeah. You want to get pushed back up here. Track is perfect. Dead on. So this approach doesn't give us any vertical guidance. See how you see LNAV here?
Yeah.
That means lateral navigation only, right? So you're not getting any vertical guidance. It will be a glide slope.
Good to know, LNAV.
Yep.
766 VFR in sight.
Yep, that's you.
10 Celsius.
What do you say?
VFR in sight.
2982.
Airport is in sight, 766.
Altitude.
12766, Roger, race. Let's terminate squawk VFR, frequency approved. Have a good day.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Thanks, have a good one.
King traffic, Cherokee 8860, Juliet, going to be 45 entry for left downwind 20, King.
That was just a little bit tight there.
Orange traffic, 10 X-ray Papa, taking runway 19. Orange traffic.
Orange traffic. Cessna 12766. Left base for 19. Orange.
I'll get right out of you guys' way.
Speed looks good. Definitely high. Let's lose a little altitude here.
Orange traffic, 10 X-ray Papa, on the roll on 19, orange traffic.
Got him. On the runway. Bumpy. Orange traffic, Cessna 12766, turning final for 19.
Orange traffic, 10 X-ray Papa, turning left crosser and 19 orange traffic.
Got a nice long displaced threshold there.
Orange traffic, 10 X-ray Papa, turning left downwind 19er, gonna depart to the north, orange traffic.
Say hello, I like those
traffic,
trees.
Cherokee 8860, Juliet, left downwind 20.
Wow, those trees at the approach end suck, huh?
Yeah, they're off to the right, though.
Yeah.
That's why the displaced threshold.
Yeah.
There's the trees there.
Yeah.
See any bird nests in there.
Alright, we're going to pull power here and just kind of glide it in. I think we're fine on flaps. Everything looks good. I do not want that in my lap for landing. Let's make sure we actually make this threshold. That would be nice. I think we're good now. I need a little more. There we go. Hold it off. Hold it off. Hold it off. There we go.
Nice and smooth, brother.
Thank you. Now, we need to find fuel, which is over here somewhere.
Oh, we got some deer.
Where?
Left.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for that. That could be bad. I see the fuel.
Yeah, they're moving.
Fuel tank over there.
Yeah. Moving toward
Oh, got him. I got him. I got him. They're going that way. Yep.
taxiwheel delta.